life museum, and of course that's perfect because have you seen my profile picture? Well, it's a donut, so this is totally me. Let's go. Oh my gosh, look how cool this is. I love it. Look at this giant globe. This is so cool. I have like frosting on the top, like a donut. This is so cool. It's a donut wall for all of the countries. This is a wall with all these words, and it's how you say donut in all of these languages. So cool. Comment if you see your language on the wall. This is the end of the first room, and now we're gonna go into the second room, which is baby themed. It's so cute. I love it so much. Like, look how cute all this is. There's sprinkles and donuts. Ooh, a lemon-filled one. That would be very good. And look how cute this bed is. It's so adorable. Or should I say crib, of course. And then there's like donuts inside, like donut pillows. So cute. And look at all the cute decorations. Like, isn't this so cool? This is totally what my little sister's room needs to be like. Look how cute all these are. This has to be like her entire wardrobe right here. Look how cute. It's just perfect in every way. So cute. Oh my gosh, I didn't notice this. It has sprinkles in it. A sprinkle like donut drink. Yum. So I'm walking into this next room here, and now, oh, it looks like this is a classroom. I wonder if Filbert is here making messes as usual. Oh, don't worry, I'm not actually Miss Johnson today. This is actually a cute classroom. I love it, but I feel like it would be the perfect place to do a Miss Johnson video. That would be pretty funny. But look at these huge crayons. This is so cool. Like, it's actually a crayon. You can like actually pick it up. That's like the coolest thing ever. There's some other colors too, look. There's a yellow crayon, a white crayon. Oh look, there's chalk. I didn't even know there was chalk. That's so cool. Maybe I should lock Filbert in one of these lockers. He's always so bad. This should be his detention in there. Oh, look, it's Filbert's detention chair, just for him. Moving on, look at these giant boats. These are so cool. Oh look, donut facts. Everyone should know some donut facts. Donuts. Ooh, some donut history, 1800s, 1829. Moving on, all the way to 2013. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. Say cheese. Ooh, look how pretty this is. It's like a donut garden. I love it. Oh, they have sprinkles on them. That's so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh, look, donuts on trees. Can you imagine if that was a real thing? I would go insane. That's so cool. And look how cool this is. There's leaves and then donuts, of course. Ooh, look, another lemon jelly-filled, yum, the best. But I think I actually like maple better. That was pretty good. There's so many good donut flavors. Make sure you guys all tell me your favorite donut flavors in the comments. Ooh, look at this pretty bench with pink donut trees. Look how cool this is. They're like so cute. And look at the pretty flowers. This is such a cool wall. It has donuts and huge sprinkles and flowers. Look at the waterfall. So pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this huge hot air balloon. This is so cool. It's humongous. And look, you can even go inside of it. That's so cute. It says donuts on the wall. Isn't that so cool? And when we look up close, there's actually donuts. And there's cinnamon flavored donuts. Yum. This is so cool. I love it. It's a puzzle. Here's my name on the wall. Let's see, if I had to pick one of these donuts to eat, I'd probably choose this one or this one. I like chocolate. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a huge donut wall, but it also has flowers and like sparkles. It's so pretty, right? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I like need this in my room. Love and donuts. It's so perfect, right? Look at this donut. This is so cool. It looks so good that I could eat it. And then when you come through here, you can pose for a picture. Look close, it's sparkly. Hey look, it's my logo. Always Alyssa. They should make this into like a rock wall where you can climb on a little donut house. That would be so cool. Ooh, what's this? Whoa, this is so cool. Wow, this is awesome. It's so pretty. I love it. This is literally the coolest room forever. I could stay in here so long. I love this. Just look at it. It's amazing, right? Ooh, look how pretty this is. I love this writing. It's like so shimmery.
That is a beautiful wall.
Oh, little pumpkins. Donut spinning. It's like pizza spinning, but like not. Well, anyways, I hope you guys loved my video today. It was super awesome. Make sure you tell me your favorite room. If you like this room or the garden room or whichever one was your favorite. I like the teacher room just because it had Miss Johnson's shot. So that's funny. But yes, tell me your favorite room and favorite type of donut in the comments, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!